So myth 1, iPhones are not secure. One of the most persistent myths surrounding iPhones is their supposed lack of security. Firstly, iPhones come with a dedicated secure enclave processor, which stores and protects sensitive data like fingerprints and facial recognition information. This ensures that your personal information remains secure and inaccessible to unauthorized parties. Secondly, all iPhones employ end-to-end encryption, meaning your messages, photos, and other sensitive data are encrypted and can only be accessed by you and the intended recipient. This prevents unauthorized access and safeguards your privacy. Lastly, Apple's strict app review process ensures that all apps available in the App Store undergo a thorough screening. This helps to minimize the risk of malicious software being installed on your device, providing an added layer of protection.